Access 2003, Queries. Course 11, Lesson 1, Using the Simple Query Wizard. Choose Queries in the Data main window. Double-click on the option Create Query by using Wizard. In the new dialog window, Simple Query Wizard, click on the arrow in the Tables Queries field. From the list, choose Table, Products. In the pane Available Fields, you can see the names of all columns from the table you have chosen. To include any field in the query being created, for example, Product ID, left-click on it and click the button Right arrow. There is another way to add fields to the query. Double-click on the product name. The field Product Name has been selected for the query. Double-click on the field Unit Price. Click on Next. When choosing a summary option, leave the default option and click Next. When asked to name the query, enter VA1903WB. Click Finish. Access 2003, Course 11, Lesson 2, Creating a Query in Design View. Double-click on Create Query in Design View. The new dialog window will display a list of existing databases. Double-click on the table you are going to create a query for. For example, the table Employees. In the design window, the table you have chosen is displayed as a small window where you can see names of all its fields. Close the Show Table window by clicking the appropriate service button. In the Query window, click on the arrow button in the first cell of the field row. Choose Switchboard ID from the list. In the second cell, click on the arrow button and choose Item Number from the list. In the row Sort, in the second cell, click on the arrow. Choose Ascending. In the row Field, in the third cell, click on the arrow. Choose Command from the list. In the row Criteria, in the third cell, enter equals single quote, Nokia, single quote. To run this query and see its results, click on Run on the toolbar. The result is a list of Nokia products sorted according to their prices, in ascending order. Click on Save. In the dialog window, enter a name for the new query. For example, Query 2. Click OK. Access 2003, Course 11, Lesson 3, Creating a Summary Query. From the section Objects, click on Queries. Double-click on Create Query by using Wizard. In the dialog window, click on the arrow in the field Tables Queries. From the list, choose Table Products. Click on the double right arrow button to select all fields in the table Products. To include information about product orders in the query, the table Order must be used as well. Click on the arrow in the field Tables Queries. From the list, choose Table Orders. Double-click on the field Quantity of Units. To continue creating the query, click Next. In the Wizard window, check the option Summary. Click on Summary Options. In the new dialog window, you can set the parameters of the summary query. Check the option Sum. Click OK. Click Next. When asked to name the query, enter Products Query Summary. Click Finish. Access 2003, Course 11, Lesson 4. Creating a multi-page query in Design View. Double-click on Create Query in Design View. In the new dialog window, Show Table, click on the tab Products. Click on Add. Choose another table, for example, Orders. Click Add. To close the window, click on Close. In the window where the query is being created, you can see the tabs and their links chosen by you. In the first cell of the row Field, click on the arrow to see the list. Choose Product.Name. In the second cell of the row Field, click on the arrow. Choose Unit.Price. In the third cell of the row Field, click on the arrow. Choose Summary Quantity. To view the query results, click on Run. With the query from two tabs, Products and Orders, we have chosen data based on the type of goods, their prices, and number of orders.